Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a hint of when Windows 11 will now be released. There was a lot of speculation, some saying as early as July, some saying August. Majority of people were still staying in the pretty much October time frame for the release. Well, at Build, one of the things that happened is that 22H2 talk was at multiple platforms. One of them, talking of 22H2, mentioned how the manufacturers for updated compatibility drivers for Windows 11 22H2 had from the May 31st until September 5th to submit their updated drivers so that Windows 11 22H2 can ship and use the latest drivers in there. So what that basically tells us is that it won't release in that time frame since there will be manufacturer updates for drivers. It now pushes that release of Windows 11 22H2 anywhere from September to October, with October being pretty much the prime time where everybody thinks it's going to be released. So if we have to put a date on it, probably anywhere in the month of October is when this is getting released. So if you are waiting for that, of course, but you don't have to. Once again, if you go into the Windows Insider program, you can, of course, join 22H2. It's very stable. That is why it's the chosen RTM build, because they deem that it's stable and works fine. And remember, in Windows Update, you can join the Windows Insider program, put yourself in the beta channel, and just remember to put the little slider on at unenroll this device when the next version releases. You'll have updates for the future until the release, and when the release is done, you'll be happy, and you'll be at 22H2 before everybody if you desire to do so. Now, there's not that much of a change, so it might not be that much of a rush to move there. But the next version of Windows 11, is officially finished, and like I said, May 31st to September 5th, compatibility for drivers. Manufacturers will submit that, and after October, probably release date somewhere in October for 22H2 of Windows 11. That'll be kind of Windows 11 2.0, and we'll see the rest. We'll see what's going to happen for the future, starting from there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.